Here's our red tail. He's hunting off the pole down by the Boeing Aerospace pond. Had some crows bothering him earlier. Also have a pair of kestrels that winter out here, and they're not in the area where they would be dive bombing him too, because that's their perch also. We've seen everything here. We've seen peregrines on these poles, and merlins, Cooper hawks, red tails, and kestrels. So we'll keep a sharp eye out. The peregrines haven't come back. They're a little bit disappointed because a couple of years ago they tore down their building that they slept on every night. And this year I haven't seen them around much. They're kind of disappointed. They're wintering somewhere else now, but it used to be really good because they'd sleep on that building every night. But we do have the red tail now. It looks like an adult. And hunting the grass right below there, looking for a mouse. A little field right below there, and oh, there's probably a snake, or there's all kinds of stuff to eat. We have berry thickets too. There are rabbits there, so the red tail can catch a rabbit. They're a great rabbit hawk. I've seen that in the past. They were really good. But the crows have now given up on harassing our red tail, and we're happy about that. And we're kind of hoping to see this guy take off. But I think he's just going to sit here until he sees something that moves and get the opportunity and dive down and catch it. Looking pretty intent now. You can cover a lot of ground with that binocular vision. You can adjust it just like looking through 8-powered binoculars. So they're set up pretty good. They call them Hawkeye. They can really see. It's one of my favorite birds. Like I say, it's a great rabbit hawk. I've dealt with them in the past, and they're quite the rabbit hunter. Okay. It's kind of looking over at me now. I'm in the car with the window mount. And oh yeah, head's bobbing. Might see something there. They're ready. They're off like a shot. Uh-oh, yep. See what's going on? May be ready here. Head's moving, zooming in on stuff. See something, I think, in the berry bushes. Up, foot's back up. That's how they hunt. Yeah. Loud mufflers doesn't scare them. Okay, staring down there again. He's wanting to go down and try to catch something. Gonna lay low, looks like. Whatever's in the berry bushes didn't want to come out too far. Didn't want to be lunch. You never know. He's sitting tight. Well, I guess we'll have to head on down then to the Heritage Farm. Fragger Road South and South 204th Street. There's a turnaround, and a lot of the fishermen fish there, and it's a good spot to look for the Coopers and the Merlins. So that'll be our next stop. All right, we'll call that good then.